Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'll be reviewing my Marc Jacobs Teddy Tote Bag collection for you guys. I wanted to share my thoughts, share some size comparison and what fits inside each one of these bags. I'll do some mod shots in case that would help you guys out if you're on the fence about which size may best fit your lifestyle. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So these bags are crafted from this faux shearling material, giving them a cuddly teddy bear-like appearance, hence the name Teddy Tote Bags. I love the soft and cozy vibes that these bags give off. Definitely more seasonal, in my opinion. I love these primarily in the fall and the winter time, although these gorgeous softer colors would be perfect in the spring, just adding a touch of warmth to those still crisp and chilly days. So I wouldn't completely rule it out as a winter bag altogether. I think you could definitely get away with it in the spring as well. And of course you could wear your bags year round, you do you. Let's go ahead and get started on the review of the mini first, and then we'll continue with the other two fabulous sizes. The mini tote bag retails for $225. It is so soft and so cute. I feel like it is such a cute, casual, everyday sort of grab and go kind of bag. So it does come with the silver hardware and just the most soft faux shearling. It does have a plastic zipper pull and the traditional Marc Jacobs chunky zipper, which is super smooth. It does have the loop, as with all of Marc Jacobs bags, that you can just tuck that zipper into. Inside the bag, it really is just one large compartment, no slip pockets or zip pockets. It does have a patch, which is hard to see due to the black interior, but it does say Marc Jacobs, and it does come with a removable as well as an adjustable strap. So it does look very similar to a seatbelt strap, but easily can use this as a crossbody or on your shoulder or as a top handle. Super cute. Absolutely love the size mini. So the dimensions of the size mini are 7.1 inches in length, 6 inches in height, and then the depth of this bag is 3.7 inches deep. It does not have feet, but of course I don't feel like this bag really needs feet. This is definitely a grab and go everyday kind of bag in my opinion. It fits quite a bit for a size mini bag. I'm going to go ahead and share what fits inside this bag so you guys can decide if this might work for you. So it does fit a decent size wallet. This is my Coach wallet. So good size wallet. And I do like a bigger size wallet. So that fits in there quite nicely. So next I'm going to add my Coach makeup pouch. And again, decent size. It really is a good size pouch. And yet it fits in here seamlessly. So nice. Has all of my makeup items that I have to have on a daily basis. Fits perfectly. Next I'm going to add my AirPods. And if you haven't seen my Kate Spade haul, that's where I picked up this little cutie. It's the cutest AirPod holder in my opinion. So cute. And I plan to put my keys on here just to make life easy. So I'm going to go ahead and fit that in there. And then I always carry just a small thing of mints or gum. And let me just show you. You can still fit loads more in here, which is great. Like I said, it's a size mini and it fits so much. So this zips up really nicely. And then you just tuck it in there and you are ready to go. So cute. Love this so much. Such a cute, casual, cozy, soft, really lovable sort of tote bag. So next we have the size small. This is in the beautiful lilac color, which is stunning. I absolutely love that it has the leather patch on the front, and then it's just the softest faux shearling. So the dimensions of the size small are 10 inches in length, so good size bag. It is 9 inches in height, and it is 4 inches in depth. Really good size bag. Again, nothing on the back, so you can wear it either way. It has the silver hardware, which is removable, and you can easily adjust it to a shoulder or a crossbody bag. And then the zipper, again, so good, smooth, and it does come with the loop, so you can tuck that in really nicely, just like that. So the inside, again, no slip pockets, and it does not come with any zipper pockets. It's just one large compartment. This one does have a lighter lining, which is quite nice. Which, again, it doesn't really attract lint at all. It's really easy to just kind of shake out, wipe out. It's really, really nice. So this size small retails for $250. So just $25 more than the mini size. So something to keep in mind. Really, there's not a lot of price differential between the mini and the small. So really, you just want to get the one that's best for you. So let's go ahead and see what fits inside the size small. So first we'll go ahead, you can see, we'll go ahead and add my Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene full-size wallet. This is the Clements wallet, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Can't leave home without my wallet. And I'm also going to take my makeup pouch. Good size makeup pouch, just has the bare essentials in there. And then I'm also going to add my sunglasses case and my key. And then I'm also going to add my hand sanitizer and some mints. And let's go ahead and put my portable charger in there. And as you can see, I don't know how this happens, but there's always loads more room. Such a good size bag. I think the size small is so good. Definitely a good everyday bag. It's definitely a casual bag, but I just love the style of this. It's very fashionable. And it is casual, but it really does just elevate any casual look, in my opinion. It's such a good size, such a good bag. Let's go ahead and take a look at the size medium. So next we have this size medium. This is probably my most used, not only because of the color, but I really enjoy a big size bag at this point in life. I feel like I just reach for bigger bags these days, probably because I just need more with me. And so this is a great size, not too big, not too small. This bag in the size medium retails for $275. Still really good price point. Again, with the silver hardware, it does have a removable strap and it is adjustable. I seldom use this for a crossbody because it is so big. I will show you mod shots so you can decide on your own, and you do you as always. So I like to carry this a lot of times top handle, or I do like to wear it on the crook of my arm, and I'll wear it on my shoulder quite a bit as well, especially if it gets heavy. This size medium does get a little bit heavier, not only because you can fit more in it, but I just feel like the bag itself is a little bit heavier. I absolutely love this color. This is in the color camel. This reminds me of my miniature Bernedoodle. It's the same color as he is. My husband says this bag reminds him of the Mutt Cuts van from the movie Dumb and Dumber. So amazing how different men and women look at things. So anyway, I think this bag is stunning. I use this so much. And to be honest, if they came out with a size large bag in this gorgeous Teddy Tote material, I would be all over that one too. I just feel like it is so pretty. Again, super casual, but definitely a great everyday bag. And most of the time, I feel like we are casual. You know, if we're not at work or we're not going out to a date or out to dinner, we're just casual, going to the grocery store, running errands. And this is just a great bag for all those things. Again, this is the size medium. So the dimensions of the size medium are 13 inches in length, 11 inches in height, and 6 inches deep. So quite a bit bigger. And then of course, no feet on the bottom. It is so pretty. I love to wear it both ways depending on what I'm wearing, but I absolutely love the patch. I feel like the black strap does go really well with that. Now, there are so many straps on the Marc Jacobs website, so if you're not a fan of the black one, you can always get a different strap. But I personally think the black goes beautifully with the black patch. That's just my opinion. So then inside the bag, again, a really nice cotton lining. So big open space. The only one that has a zip pocket is the size medium. So something to keep in mind. I usually will put my phone in the zip pocket just for easy access. Again, it's going to have the Marc Jacobs patch, but it doesn't have anything other than that one big zip pocket, which I appreciate because that's where I keep my phone. And it just makes life easy versus always digging around. So what fits in this gorgeous bag is my planner. Fits in here perfectly. It also fits my iPad, which I appreciate. I also have my Longchamp, kind of like I have all my pens. I have Post-it notes in here. It just really is kind of like my office supplies, if you will. So that's nice to carry. I usually will have my daily to-do list. I'm one of those people who needs lists so I can check them off and feel like I'm accomplishing things. I can't do electronic lists. I need to be able to check it off. It's so satisfying. Next, I have a decent sized makeup pouch that fits perfectly in here. Let me zip this up so you can so it's not in the way. And then again, I'm going to add my Clemence wallet by Louis Vuitton. This is in the monogram print. And as I said before, always amazing just how much room is still left over. You can still fit so much. Beautiful, beautiful bag. So let's zip that up. So before I do mod shots of each one of these bags for you guys, let's go ahead and just see what these bags look like side by side so you can get an idea of the size differential. Okay, so I went ahead and took the straps off all three bags just because I think they'll get in the way while we're doing this size comparison. So again, this is in the size medium, really good size. Next we have the size small. So you can kind of see it's not a huge differential on the side, but it is a couple of inches on the top. Next, the mini size, an inch on the side, but then you're going to have about 2 inches in height. So let me just see if you can see that. So that's the differential between the mini and the size small. And then if you wanted to see the size medium next to the size small, that is the difference. So hopefully that's helpful. This is the size comparison with the depth of the bag. So hopefully that is helpful to kind of see them side by side. Here you have the size mini. It is so adorable. So I am 5'10" and I love the size mini. It's the cutest little crossbody. I think it is so practical for every day. Like I said, grab and go on your shoulder as a shoulder bag. Love it. And then of course, I think it is so cute as a top handle bag. What do you guys think? Do you like the mini? Next, we have the size small. So adorable. Love the lilac. Definitely the way I usually will carry this bag is crook on my arm. So pretty. And I'll also carry it top handle. And of course, you can always wear it on your shoulder, just like that. And of course, crossbody. Absolutely can wear this bag. Crossbody, no problem. Such a cute bag. Do you guys like this size or the mini better? Let me know in the comments down below. So next we have the beautiful size medium in the caramel color. As I said earlier, this is my favorite. I love the size. I love all the things that fit in this bag, and the color is just stunning. Such a cute, everyday, run around mom bag. In my opinion, it'd be a great student bag, and I would absolutely take this to work if my work was more a casual environment. I think it is so pretty. So if I were to get tired of holding it, because like I said, the larger one is a little bit heavier than the other two, I can easily carry it on my shoulder without any problems at all. It's super comfortable. Nothing's digging into my underarm area. And then if I did want to crossbody it, it's absolutely doable. Just like that. And all the Teddy Tote bags, in my opinion, are stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful if you were on the fence as to if the Teddy Tote bag is your style or not, if it's something you think you'd enjoy. Also, which size might fit best with your lifestyle. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like it. And I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.